Hello friends, this is Kamlesh and you are watching Fear of Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix a spotlight issue such as a spotlight does not change images on your Windows 11 machine. So if you notice that a spotlight not working on your Windows 11 machine, here is how to do. There are some methods to troubleshoot and you need to follow one by one. So first one is you need to run system maintenance troubleshooter. For that, click on this one start button and here type control. Click on control panel. Next, you need to search here troubleshoot. Then click on this one into troubleshooting. Here, click on system and security. Then click on system maintenance. Then click on this one advanced. Then click on this one next button. Again, click on this one try troubleshooting as an administrator. If it prompts, this will detect any issues if deleted on your PC and it will fix automatically. Next one, after that you can restart your PC and check if a spotlight is working again. If not, you need to perform the next step. For that, you need to clean the cache and reinstall a spotlight. For that, click on this one start, type cmd, right click on command prompt app and select run as administrator. Click yes if prompted by user account control. Then you need to copy this one command one by one and here enter. Again copy this one next command, paste it here. For that you can simply right click on here after copying the file. Then close this one window and reboot your PC and check if everything is working. If not work, you need to run one more command. For that, click on this one power button, start button, type here PowerShell, right click on PowerShell entry, click run as administrator, click yes if prompted, paste the command. For PowerShell, you can find all these commands in this video description. This command will re-register a Spotlight application on your PC. After that, restart your PC and check if a Spotlight is started working again. If it does not help, you need to run two more commands. For that, click on this one start button, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select manage administrator, click yes if prompted. Now you need to copy these commands one by one and paste here. After that, once it completes, you need to restart your PC. Again, copy this one command in command prompt window and paste it, run it. Once completed, again restart your window. Again restart your Windows 11 PC. Hopefully, one of these troubleshooting method will work for you and a Spotlight should start working on your Windows 11 machine. I mean, a Spotlight should start changing images on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, Gera Windows, you can subscribe for more videos. And if you are If you have already subscribed to our channel, to support us, please thumbs up, comment on this video, and you can also share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.